Are you hoping to gain experience through an internship but are running into some challenges? Have you considered an on-campus internship? Watch this video to learn more about these experiences. Internships are work and learning experiences that provide a hands-on way for you to confirm your choice of major, interests, and/or a career in a way that is more substantial than a part-time job. These opportunities may be available both on and off campus. On-campus internships allow students to gain practical experience without commuting to another location. These opportunities may be paid, unpaid, for credit, or not for credit. Depending on department policies regarding payment, work-study funds may be used for UConn on-campus internships. Students may participate in on-campus internships by applying to existing posted positions through two UConn job boards, Husky CareerLink and JobX. To access those, visit their websites located on the screen. To see a regularly updated list of departments which offer positions throughout the year, visit career.uconn.edu and click on Internships and Co-ops. From there, click on On-Campus Internships. This page is regularly updated as the Center for Career Development learns of additional on-campus opportunities. If you find that a department you're interested in doesn't have any internships posted, consider approaching them to determine if that office or work area is open to having an on-campus intern. You'll want to articulate why you're interested in that department and how you feel you might be able to support them through an internship. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about on-campus internships, reach out to Center for Career Development staff at internships@uconn.edu.